Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Finnish Commercial Heat Pump Roundtable Meeting. I'm Hank, Senior Sales Manager, and this is my colleague, Troy.
Hi, I'm Troy, Global Sales Director. I'm in charge of heat pump business across the world.
So, how are you today, Troy?
Recently quite busy.
Why?
Actually, we got a bigger project from European market.
Oh.
This customer purchased 7 pieces water source heat pump water heaters with totally heating capacity around 500 kilowatts.
Oh,
which used in district heating in European.
Oh, great. So this project is related to our today's topic, water source heat pump. In Finnish, we call it HeatMax series, water source heat pump. So let's get started. HeatMax introduction, and we separate it into 5 parts. The first one is product features. The second one is product functions. The third one is technical points. The fourth one is application places. The fifth one is technical parameters. So the first one, product features. Number one, R134a Refrigerant and ODP equal to 0. High outlet water temperature is reliable and safety to be used in high temperature heat pump to meet the requirement of the industry sites. So Troy, I got questions.
Yeah.
Is that 134a refrigerant usually used in commercial heat pump? What else refrigerant do you think will be popular in Europe market?
I think it might be R134ZE refrigerant.
Okay.
Because in the past few months, we got many inquiries about this refrigerant.
Okay.
They ask if Phoenix can put this refrigerant into our HeatMax water source heat pump units.
Okay. So do you think will we develop this new refrigerant for our commercial heat pump in the future?
Yes, definitely. Okay. You know, this refrigerant got a low GWP compared to R134a refrigerant.
Okay, I see. So number 2, high COP, high heat transfer efficiency enables it to have high energy saving performance. Number 3, enjoy cold air for free, providing you with high temperature outlet water and simultaneously offers free cooling.
So for enjoy cold air for free,
yes.
Hey, could you explain it to our visitors?
Yes. For this part, for the evaporator side, the cold water will be to connect to the use side to cool the air.
With the water fan coils, right?
Yes, with water fan coil.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Number 4, various applications. A, work with existing water chillers for hot water and cooling. B, work with existing cooling tower for factory process cooling and hot water. Number 5, high ROI, low cost water heating and free cooling air, flexible installation, and combination solution equals to high ROI in the long run.
So what's the meaning of ROI?
Related operate.
You mean the return on investment, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
yes.
I got it.
Yes. Number 6, more reliable, durable, and reliable of itself. The unit can run stably all year around without being affected by ambient temperature. Number 7, compact design and flexible installation. The multi-connected heat exchanger design makes the machine easy to install. Yes, let's move to the second part. It's about product function. Number 1, outlet water temperature, overheating protection. Prevent outlet water temperature from overheating. Number 2, memory function. Number 3, data backup and recover functions. So Troy, can you explain this point for me?
Yes, I can.
Yes.
So for data backup and recover functions, which means when the first operation in the project side well done, then every parameters will be saved in the display.
Okay.
If the PCB, I mean the main controller, got some issues, need to be replaced a new one, then all parameters saved in the display can match the new PCB.
Oh,
that's the function of data backup and recover function.
Oh, that's good. So number 4, RS485 and BMS. Reserve the RS485 for Modbus and available for BMS with a converter. For this, I got 2 questions. One is what is BMS, and the second one is our heat pump with a converter when customer purchase the heat pump?
BMS is short for Building Management System.
Okay.
And for the second question, I suggest our client to convert from local market.
Okay.
And this converter can be connected with Phoenix main PCB and BMS system, which means the converter can transfer Modbus to backnet to support BMS system.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Number 5, grid adaptation heating function. Number 6, energy stage adjust function.
So what kind of energy stage adjust function in HeatMax water source heat pump unit? Do you got any ideas about energy stage?
I don't think so.
So let me ask you a question. Yes. So how many compressors in the big model?
As far as I can remember, the biggest one, more than 100 kilowatt, is with 4 compressors.
So 4 compressors.
Yes.
So 4 compressors means 100% heating capacity output. Yes. What if 3 compressors are working?
Yes.
1 compressor off. Yes. So how many percent? How many capacity percentage be output?
75.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So what's the energy stage adjust function for the heat pump unit for HeatMax water source heat pump? Could you explain to our customers?
I think this will be difficult for me.
So there will be 0%. 1 compressor on, it means 25%.
Okay.
2 compressors on, 50%.
Okay.
3 compressors on, 35%. And 4 compressors on, 100%. That's energy stage adjust functions.
Okay.
Have you got it?
Yes, thank you. So let's move on. Number 7, inlet water temperature compensation function. Number A, multiple protect function. A, evaporator side and condenser side water flow failure protect function. B, high and low pressure protect function. Number 9, multiple anti-freezing protect function. Both evaporator and condenser side anti-freezing protect function. Number 10, evaporator side and the condenser side inlet and outlet excessive water temperature protection.
Could you put an example for function 10?
Function 10.
Excessive water temperature protection. Could you give us an example?
I'm sorry for this one.
So you mentioned the inlet and outlet excessive water temperature.
Yes.
So what's the standard delta T for example for the evaporator?
For the evaporator side is 5 degrees. And
so you mean excessive water temperature? What's the meaning?
It means more than the heat pump can tolerate.
So just for example, the standard is 5 degrees. So excessive water temperature, what's the temperature difference between inlet water temperature and outlet water temperature? Then the unit will get the protection.
More than 5 degrees?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move on. The third part is about the technical points. Number 1 is CMS heat exchanger. So is this one anything you can share us?
I would like to share more details about this heat exchange.
Okay.
As you can see, this heat exchange we call it tube initial heat exchange. Actually, it's Phoenix patented high efficiency heat exchange, which mostly we used for house heating, cooling heat pumps and hot water heat pumps.
Okay, good, thank you. And the second one is 5-inch colorful touch display.
And as you see, this touch display, the dimension is 5-inch. It's colorful touch display.
Yeah.
And it is not only used as a single display for each unit, but also can be used as a central display to manage many units. Maximum can manage the 16 units in the big project.
Okay, great. So number 3, high temperature specific ZW compressor. Number 4 is using the Sanhua electronic expansion valve with precisely control. Number 5 is crankcase heater to avoid liquid hammer. Number 6, high and low pressure gauge.
So I got one question for you, Hank.
Yes.
So why you installed the high and low pressure gauges in the heat pump unit?
I think it's easy for our client to check whether the system is normal, and to adjust the parameter of the heat pump as well.
So with these high and low pressure gauges, then the technicians will be more convenient to do the service, operation, and maintenance. Right?
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So the following is the collapse application. From this part, you can see the the water-to-water heat pump is working together with the water chiller. On the right side is for heat recovery and unused energy utilization. On the left side, the hot water range is from 45 degree to 80 degree. Maximum outlet water temperature is 80 degree. And usually used in machine washing and cleaning, product heating, washing machine parts, preheating of boiler water supply. So, Troy, do you have anything to say about this application?
If I understand it correctly,
yes,
you mean the water source.
Yes.
In the top.
Yes.
The water source can be working together with
water chiller.
The below unit water
yes,
chillers.
Yes,
they can
yes.
work
together. Yes.
To produce the cold water.
Yes.
Like in the filter, 7 degree, and installed in the chiller the water tank. Then the cold water provided from the tank to the indoor side. I'm right. Then go back to the tank. Then go back to the unit.
Yes.
And at the same time, the water temperature, the condenser side, the water temperature can be, the range can be from 45 degree to 80 degree. The maximum is 80 degree.
Yes, right.
So those water installed in the tank as well.
Yeah.
They mostly used in washing and cleaning.
Yes.
Preheating.
Yeah.
And
washing
other
parts.
Commercial and industry applications, right?
Yeah, right, correct.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay. The second one, as you can see, this water-to-water heat pump is working independently. The right side, the water temperature is from 12 degree to 45 degree, while the left side is 45 degree to 80 degree, and used in food process plant, meat plant, beverage plant, and side dish plant, chemical plant, hotels, and hospitals. So this application is simple, right?
Yeah, it's similar like the last page.
Yeah.
But the total difference is we can tell you the water source, Phoenix water source heat pump, in this application, they can be working independently. And the maximum for the evaporator side, the inlet water temperature maximum can be 45 degrees.
Yes.
Which means not only used for traditional air conditioning conditions, but also can be used in industry applications. The water temperature will be higher. Then we can use it for heat recovery function for the HeatMax. Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on. From this table, we can see that there are 3 models of this HeatMax water source heat pump, and the heating capacity is from 33 kilowatt to 134 kilowatt. And as you can see from power input, power supply is 3-phase, and all of them are using Copperland scroll compressor. The biggest model is using 4 compressors. Both the evaporator and the condenser are using Finnish patented true-in-shell heat exchanger. All of them are using the 5-inch colorful display. And you also can see that the cabinet, there are 2 options one is galvanized. Another one is stainless steel. And you also can see the size with the compact design. It will be a flexible installation. So for this part, sorry.
No questions.
No questions?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that will be all for this presentation.